In this video, we're going to be embarking on a journey of web design and web development from scratch using our Adobe XD. This one you are seeing here now, you see, where we have designed our screen for a website. And then from here now, we're going to use HTML and the CSS to realize it and make it even responsive, like the way you are seeing here now, showing us how it will look in our mobile phone and also in a tablet. For example, like this will be okay for tablet, then why when it get to this extent it will become for desktop. And without wasting much of our times, we will also do something like using this HTML and the CSS to make things like this button you are seeing here. When you click it, it will take you to web page. Even this web page was done only with HTML5, but later on we are going to use our CSS, which stands for cascading style sheet. We are going to use it to kind of push things in, kind of do some padding and the coloring and background beautifications and so on and so forth. All those ones will be done later on. And here when we're going to also learn how to link pages. Like when you click this go to blog you are seeing here, it will take you to blog post on my website, as you can see here right now. And we're going to be also covering the web design will take place here. Here is where we are going to do the whole designing. Here will be for the desktop, while this will be for the our mobile phone. Okay, right now before we move on, let's see the structural look of our HTML. HTML is going to look like this, as you are seeing it here. Here will be the header, the contents, the branding logo is what you will see here, just like the way it is right here now. This is just a logo. Then this thing you are seeing here and here is the logo, which will be here, right here. And this nav content, the navigational section of the site, is these things you are seeing, are these things. Are these things you are seeing here, of which it will actually look like this. Here it will be in a mobile phone. These are the nav sections, and when you move it like this, it will become like this right here now. So and before we just move on, let's take a look at the codes. This is the code. The HTML code is all this you are seeing here. We'll get to that. We'll do it step by step all together until the whole work are being done right from scratch. And this one is the HTML, where all the beautification we are done, pushing things in, paddings, and rest of things are being done here in this CSS. Okay, right now we are going to focus on HTML and see what we can achieve very soon. In this particular video, we're going to be learning how to use HTML as the basic, and as HTML is the building blocks of the web. That is where we are going to start. HTML isn't like a scripting or programming language that uses scripts to perform functions. And HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and uses tags to identify content. These are the tags this tag, this is a tag, this is a tag, this is a tag. These are tags with opening and the closing angle brackets, and it will also have a closing tag, of which we will see later on in this video. And it is very important in HTML as long as website is concerned. You can even have an HTML site without JavaScript and so on and so forth, just like this thing you saw earlier around here. This thing you're seeing here is just only HTML. This page was created using only HTML. Things like this you can do with only your HTML. Okay, before we jump in, let's see what we need to start. We need a computer, Mac, Windows, or Linux. Anyone can serve, and a web browser, be it Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or what have you there. And we will also download a text editor. When we have these three things together, we are good to go. Let's quickly see how we can download a text editor or an IDE. This is how to download your Sublime text editor. Go to your favorite browser, just type on your search bar www.sublimetext.com and just add download to it. Click OK. It will bring you to this page. Just scroll to select this www.sublimetext.com download. This is what you're going to select, or www.sublimetext.com tray. You click on this download. In case it may ask you to download 64-bit or 32-bit. If you don't know which bit your computer is having, just come down here, search for it, about my computer. And about your PC, click about your PC. Scroll here to about. Click it. And you will now take a look at your computer to know which bit operating system is having. Here now, as you can see, mine is 64-bit operating system based processor. So it means any application I would like to download should be 64-bit operating system. Then let's close it and move here now. We'll now click download. It will bring us to the previous thing we have already seen. Here now you see In case you are using Windows, you see this is the Windows 64-bit is what we need here. We just click. Now we can download. Click download. Free download manager. It is now downloading. Your own computer, whenever it starts downloading, you will see it reading here, right down here or here. Mine is because I'm using an application called Free Download Manager. In your own case may be different. Right now, it will bring us to this page now. It will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make a change to your device? You say yes. Then just minimize this and minimize this as well. Here is the path. In case you don't have any good reasons to change the place, you can leave it. But if you have good reasons where you would like to install it, you just click browse here and search for a particular place here you would like to install it, maybe in the users or in Windows or wherever place you want. In my own case, I don't need, I just want to store it where it is, like as it has already appeared. Just click next, then add to Explorer context menu. Select the additional tags you would like set up to perform while installing Sublime Text 3, then click next. If you would like to select this, which is the additional tags, you just click yes and move to next, and now you can click install. It will start installing. It will take a few moments to install the whole thing, and you just click finish. So if you are using a Windows 10, you may not see it on your desktop immediately. So to bring it to your desktop, you just go in here, click window, and you will see it up here. Just take it and drag it to your screen like this. You will have it in your screen. So this is how to download your Sublime text editor. Here is our text editor to start our programmation.